Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an online store. In this video, we're using WordPress to build an online store. So if this is your first time of hearing about WordPress, we have a step-by-step guide that will help you learn how to purchase a domain, a hosting, and how to install WordPress. So the first link above is how to purchase a domain. The second link is how to purchase a hosting. Then the third link is how to install WordPress. So after doing that, the next thing we're going to do is import demo content. Demo content is going to help you build a website in few minutes. So in order to do that, you click on plugins, then you click on add new. When you click on add new, you search for starter site. When you search for starter site, you will install this plugin right here. When you install it, you click on activate. When you activate the plugin, you go to appearance, go to themes, and you make sure that this Astra theme is installed. In order to do that, you click on this add new at the top. When you click on it, you search for Astra. When you search for Astra, you click on install and activate the theme. After doing that, you hover on the appearance, then click on starter templates. When you click on starter templates, you see that there are a lot of already made templates right here. But in this video, we're going to create an online store, so we need an e-commerce template. So I'm going to click on this e-commerce. When you click on e-commerce, you'll see a lot of e-commerce websites, or also a lot of already made online stores. You can see them right here. So let's install this Simply Natural. In order to install it, you click on it. When you click on it, you click on skip and continue. When you click on skip and continue, you click continue again. Then you scroll down and click submit and build my website. So when you do that, you wait for a few minutes for it to install. Okay, the template has been successfully installed on this website. So I'm going to click on view website so we can see the template. So this is it. You can see it's exactly the way we previewed it there. This is how the template look like. Now you might be wondering how to edit this template. It's very easy, and you can edit it easily using Elementor, which is a plugin that was installed while we were installing this template. So in order to edit this page, you have to go to your dashboard, then you go to pages, click on all pages. Then when you scroll down, first you can right click to make sure it is the page you want to edit. When you can see this is the page you want to edit, which is the home page, you go back, then you click edit with Elementor. Editing with Elementor is very easy because you don't need to code anything. You just need to do drag and drop and edit some text. So before you use Elementor to edit your page, there's a settings you need to enable. In order to do that, you can just click on continue and click on activate container. So when you click on it, you scroll down this flexbox container, you set it from default to active, then you scroll down and click save changes. When you click save changes, you go back to your page builder. So in order to edit this text, all you need to do is just click on it and change it. So I'm going to remove starting, so you can see that any changes we make is reflected. Now in order to undo those changes, you can click on Control Z or Command Z from your laptop. As you can see, everything is going back. So this is in case of you remove something and you want it to reverse. You can use Control Z or Command Z to reverse it. You can do the same for this button. Now to edit this button, you can change it shop now. You can change it to shop. In order to edit the color, you can click on style. When you click on style, you click on text color, background type. So you click on text color. When you click on text color, you can change it from red to white or anything. Then you can also change the color from this. Let's change it to something like blue. Change to blue. So you can see the color will be changed for blue, and the text color is white. The text color is this shop that's right here, but the color is the background color of the button. So you can also change this. You can change this icon. You can see here, you can check icon library, and you see a lot of icons you can use. You can close this and edit the icons also. So you can change this image. When you click on this section, right? So you can change this. You can change the image. Also, you can also change this background image by clicking on this section. Then you click on style. You can see right here, you choose a different image. So let me just choose a different image. Say USA. So let me choose this image and let's click select. When I click select, you can see this is a different image. So after changing everything you want to change, or each time you make a change, you can click on this update right here. When you click on update, it's going to save changes. Then you can click on preview changes. When you click on preview changes, you can see the background image we changed before is already changed, and the button is already changed. So this is how to edit this. You can also edit other pages because you can see this template also imported a store page for you. It also imported an about us for you. It also imported a contact us for you. And this is my account. This is when you log in. A user will be able to see your account. But in order to do that, you need to install WooCommerce plugin. Now I have to go to demo tutorial, go to dashboard. I need to go to plugins, install plugin. Now you can see WooCommerce is installed but it's not activated, so you click on activate. This WooCommerce plugin is the plugin you need to set up products, payment gateway, and view your store analytics. So you can see when we installed and activated the plugin, you can see products, payments, analytics, which was not here before, including marketing. Now let's go back to the home page and click on my account. You can see when we install the plugin, the cart is already showing. You can see this cart here and the if you have balance. Now you click on my account. When you click on my account, you can see that users can be able to view orders, view downloads, view addresses, view account details. So this is it. You can also edit this about us by clicking on edit with Elementor. Then you change the text, change the background, change this image also. So in order to set up the payment gateway, which is the very important stuff you need in your e-commerce website, you can click on WooCommerce, then you click on settings, then you come to payment. When you come to payment, you'll see there are a lot of payment method that is available on this WooCommerce. Now, if the one you want here is not available, what you need to do is come to plugins, then click on add new. When you click on add new, you'll search for let me say I want to install Paystack. You search for Paystack by WooCommerce or for WooCommerce. Let's type for WooCommerce. Now when you type it, you can see Paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. You click on install now. Now you can also do the same. If the payment method, let me say you want to use Stripe, you can just type in Stripe for WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on activate to activate this plugin. Now when you activate this plugin, you go to WooCommerce, then you go back to settings, then you click on payment. When you click on payment and scroll down, you can see Paystack is now available. You can enable it right here. Then you click finish setup. When you click finish setup here, you need to make sure you put in, if this is on enable test mode, the secret key and public key you put here won't be able, like users will not be able to purchase a product on test mode if this is on test mode. So you have to disable this and make sure it's on live secret key and public key. So you have to go to your Paystack account then before you're able to copy these two keys. Then once you place it here, users will be able to use their credit or debit card to purchase a product from your online store. So the next step is to create a product. So you go to products, you click on add new. I'm going to leave these changes. So yeah, you need to put in your product, and then you can put this is a perfume. Let me say you are selling a store, like a store where you sell perfume. So yeah, you need to put in the description of your product. You can put this is a good perfume. So when you put it, when you scroll down, you select your product image. So you can set your product image. I'm going to put something like this. Let me put this image. So yeah, you have to select your product category, or you add a new category. You can add new one and call it perfume. And click add new category right there. So you can see the category is already added. Now, if you want to add more than one image to your product, you can add product gallery by selecting more than one image and add this first one to gallery, then add another one, add to gallery. So you can see you have more than one image right here. So you can put your product tags if you want tags to be on products. Now the next thing is to set the price, which you can do right here. You can put the regular price. You can see this is on dollar. If you want to change this currency from your like let me say in different country, I'm going to show you how to set it up after publishing this product. So you can just put $70. This is the regular price, and if you put it the same price, it's going to cancel this one, like it put a slash. So let's put it out. Let's put it, make it 15. Then you can put a product short description. This one in this product description, you have to put a very long description that's describing the product. Then here you can put in a short description, like you can, let me just type a perfume. So after doing that, everything is already done. Then you can click on publish. Now in order to change your store currency, you can click on WooCommerce, then click on settings. When you click on settings, you can click on country or state. This is United States. You can change it to any country of your choice. You can change it to any country. So after doing that, you make sure you click save changes. Now in order to view the products we created, you have to click on product or product. Then you can see we have perfume right here. You can click on view. When you click on view, you can see that there's a sales right here, and this is the price. You can see the regular price is already cancelled. Then we have the normal price plus free shipping. If you don't want free shipping, you can set the price for your shipping. Then this is a perfume. Then the category perfume. Then this is the product description, and this is reviews where users can drop reviews and submit reviews on your product. Then this is the product image, and this is the product image gallery. That is if they want to see more than one image, you can see right here and see more than one image. Now if user want to purchase, they can click add to cart. They click add to cart. They'll click view cart. Then they can proceed to check out and make payment for the product. So this is how to build an online store. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.